Hi, boys. It's February 10th today, and just want to take a little bit of a meditation from Psalm 32. Psalm 32 is a great psalm of repentance. It's one that's certainly pretty famous for some of the phrases in it. You'll probably recognize it as you read through it again today, and it's good to be reminded of the need for repentance and coming back to the Lord. And just a line in here that I thought was really instructive to me this morning. It was verse 9. It says, do not be like the horse or the mule, which have no understanding, but must be controlled by bit and bridle, or they will not come to you. And it just reminds me of the unique relationship that God gives to humanity, to human beings, that we get the chance to talk with Him, that He's given us a kind of intelligence and ability to communicate that horses and mules and dogs and others don't have. I mean, I know you guys know our dog. Sometimes she knows when she's in trouble. It always makes me laugh when she starts to whine and then she looks over to mom to see whether mom's going to scold her for whining. And she knows what to expect and she has some sense of what she should and shouldn't do. But uh, overall, um, overall, they just don't have the ability to have a relationship with God that we have with Him. And so I think it's instructive for the psalmist to say here, do not be like the horse or the mule. I think he's speaking on God's behalf, which have no understanding but must be controlled by bit and bridle, or they will not come to you. We don't want to be dumb, ignorant, just wandering around as if we don't know that there's a God who we can communicate with, that we can go back and make um, reconciliation with, that He pursues us, asks us for our repentance, and that we would come to Him and willingly come under His guidance for us. How dumb would we be if we had access to the God of the universe and had no desire um, to use that access to have right relationship with Him? And so we would be no better than those oxen or those donkeys or horses or mules, as it says here. So just encourage me at the same time to make sure that our accounts with the Lord are short, that we constantly coming to Him daily, many times during the day, walking with Him so that we are not like one of the dumb animals that needs to be led around by a bit or a bridle. All right, that's it for today. Just a short one. See you guys tomorrow.